I am Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. This is the place where I create healthy and tasty recipes. So if you're looking for something like that, hit the subscribe button and I will share recipes every week. So today I'm going to share the recipe from my country. You notice that I share some of the Georgian recipes on my budget-friendly cooking website because they are also budget-friendly. They are easy to prepare and I feel like people are interested in Georgian recipes, so why not? Just because I had a couple of little wilted eggplants in my fridge, I decided to make this dish, and why not share with you. Just like most of my recipes, there's a few simple ingredients and very easy to follow. I have here a cup of walnuts, might be a little more than I need for 2 eggplants, but we can always save the sauce and use it for different dishes. I have some pomegranate seeds. This is more than I need to for this recipe, but I can snack on it, right? And very important ingredients are a trio of Georgian spices: blue fenugreek, coriander, and marigold. Also gonna need a few sprigs of cilantro, 1 small garlic clove because you don't want the overpowering flavor of garlic. And I also have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can use red wine or white wine vinegar, but I always have apple cider vinegar at home and I like to use it. We're gonna need some oil to fry the eggplants and salt and pepper. If you like spicy, you can add red pepper flakes. I like it. I like a little kick of it, and that's it pretty much. So let's get started. Cut the top and the end part of the eggplant, peel them. You don't have to be very precise. You can leave some skin on, it's fine. Season with salt from both sides and leave for at least 15 minutes to let the moisture and bitterness out. You will notice droplets of water on the surface. Pat dry them with paper towel, drizzle the oil, canola or vegetable, mix well so that every piece is well coated with oil, and spread on a baking tray on 1 layer. I like to spray non-stick spray to avoid any sticking. Alright, I have my oven turned on broil function, and I'm going to put this in the oven for about 10 minutes on the upper shelf, like kind of in the middle, and set the timer for 10 minutes. So while your eggplant is broiling, we're going to do the filling, the walnut pesto. Alright, pretty straightforward. Walnuts, spices. Gonna add a little bit of hot pepper. This is very spicy, so I don't want to add too much. A little bit of salt, apple cider vinegar. Oh, where's my garlic? I forgot to clean the garlic. Let's do that. It's quite big, actually. You know what? I'm gonna do just half. And try to avoid this part because it's not really good for you. Alright, that's it. I did salt, pepper, vinegar, and we're just gonna pulse it. Alright, we're gonna check it because 10 minutes passed and our eggplants are looking good. A little burnt, but it's okay. So we're gonna flip them over because we need to roast them from the other side, right? And then put them back for another 5 to 8 minutes. I think 5 minutes will be good. Let's set up the timer for 5 minutes and then we can always check. So my pesto is a little thick. I added 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of water and pulse a little more. Woo, splashes. It's okay. Oh, that is perfect now. Looking great, and that's it. Your walnut pesto is pretty much ready. It's nice and smooth. We're gonna chop some cilantro because we're gonna add fresh cilantro and some pomegranate seeds. And check my eggplants. I think looking good. That's perfect. So I did another 5 minutes and that was enough. Turn this off. We're gonna let those cool, prep the pesto, finish up our pesto, and then do the sampling. That's it. Fall is a perfect season for pomegranates. I always buy them whole and peel it myself. This way it's the freshest and it's also much cheaper and you get lots of seeds to either use in salads or just snack on. Gently mix the seeds and cilantro in walnut mixture. taste, and if everything is to your liking, we can assemble them. Place the eggplant slices on the board or a plate, spread about a tablespoon of pesto over each piece and fold. That's it. If you have leftover pesto, you can always use it for other dishes. For example, hard-boiled eggs topped with the pesto will be delightful for breakfast. All right, we're back. Our roasted eggplants with walnut pesto and pomegranate seed is ready, and I'm very excited to taste it. Traditionally, we have it with little cornbread called nigvzit, but I don't have any Georgian corn flour, and I like also to serve it with the crackers or toast or even corn tortillas. All right, let's taste it, and I'll tell you how it is. And it took me about 30 minutes to prepare it, and because it is served as an appetizer, usually one piece is for one person, but if you're gonna have it for lunch, it will be enough for 2 people. All right, moment of truth. This is so good, guys. And pomegranate seeds bursting in your mouth, a little sweetness, a little spicy, and the flavor of walnut and pomegranate is heaven. I'm gonna finish this up, and I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to write comments down below, and I will see you next week with more budget-friendly recipes. Bye-bye.